Already you are having the question, you can read the question. I will give you a brief idea of the question and what are the important points. This question appeared in TY BCom November 2018 paper. It is a balance sheet of Tata Steel Limited, 31st March 2018. Here we have preference shares, equity share, and we also have a capital reserve. Then on the asset side, we are having goodwill, patent and trademark, which are intangible assets, and profit and loss account and primary expenses, which are fictitious assets. Then we have the preference dividend in arrears for 3 years, and we have 8 adjustments. We are going to prepare journal entry. We are also going to prepare a capital reduction account, though it is not asked in the question, and also an extract of the balance sheet only showing the shareholders' funds. So we start with the preference share, which is line number 3, and we go to line number 1 and 2 after we finish up to 8. So what is line number 3? The preference shares shall be converted into 7% preference share of rupees 50 each. Number of shares being the same. The number of shares will remain the same. So preference share capital is, there is 5,000 preference share. Amount is 5 lakh. We have to convert it into 7% preference share at 50 each. So what is the journal entry? It is 6% preference share of rupees 100. It is 5,000 multiplied by 100, 5 lakh rupees. To 7%, 6% becomes 7%, and the price of one share from 100 becomes 50. 5,000 multiplied by 50 is 2,50,000. The difference between 5 lakh and 2,50,000 is 2,50,000, which is a gain to the organization. Credit all the gains. So capital reduction account is credited by the gain of the organization. And for capital reduction account, you have to remember that debit all the expenses and losses and credit all the incomes and gains. So here it is a gain because preference share capital is being reduced, liability is being reduced, we have to pay less, and that is why the capital reduction account is credited. Then we go to the second line, fourth line, line number 4. The equity shares shall be reduced to rupees 3 each. What is the meaning of 2 rupees 3? 2 rupees 3 means the price of the equity share, you can see, for share is 10 rupees. Now it is converted from 10 to 3 rupees. So what is the journal entry? It is equity share of rupees 10, that is 40,000 multiplied by 10, 4 lakh, to equity share of rupees 3, that is 40,000 multiplied by 3, 1 lakh 20. The difference between this is 2 lakh 80. It is a gain to the organization, and that is why capital reduction account is credited. Okay, and this simultaneously we can write it on the credit side of the capital reduction account, these two entries over here on the credit side of capital reduction account, preference share capital and equity share capital. Then we go to the next line, line number 5. The 5% debenture shall be converted into equal number of 6% debentures of rupees 75 each. This is similar to the preference share line. So what is the journal entry? First we go to debentures. Here you see debenture is of rupees 100. Amount is 2 lakhs. 2 lakh divided by 100 comes to 2,000 shares. Sorry, 2,000 debentures. So here we write the journal entry for 2,000 debentures which are revalued. So 5% debenture of 100 each, 2,000 multiplied by 100 is 2 lakhs. 5% converted to 6% debenture of 75. 100 becomes 75. So it is 2,000 multiplied by 75, which comes to 1,50,000, and the difference between 2 lakh and 1,50,000 is 50,000, which will go to capital reduction account. Whenever the liability is reduced, there is a gain to the organization, and therefore capital reduction account is to be credited. And this we write over here on the credit side. Next line, number 6. The debenture holder also agreed to waive 50% of the accrued interest. So we have to go to the balance sheet. Here we find accrued interest on debenture 30,000. 50% is waived, means cancelled. So whenever anything is reduced on the liability side, it is a gain to the organization, and therefore capital reduction account will be credited, and what will be debited is Accrued interest on debenture account 30,000 multiplied by 50 comes to 15,000. We write it here, credit side of capital reduction account. Okay. Next is arrears of preference dividend is to be cancelled. Now preference dividend are in arrears for 3 years. Now they are to be cancelled, means not to be paid. You can see it is written below the balance sheet. Nothing is written inside the balance sheet, and therefore there will be no journal entry for waiver of preference dividend, as there is no liability inside the balance sheet. So capital reduction account is not affected. Then line number 8, the creditor agreed to waive 30% of their claim and accept equity share for rupees 30,000 in part settlement of the renewed claims. So 30% of the creditor are to be cancelled. So what is the amount of the creditor we are having in the question? The creditor is 1,55,000. So what is the journal entry? Please look at the journal entry very carefully. What is to be debited? What is to be credited? Capital reduction account is credited by 1,55,000 multiplied by 30%, which is 46,500. Equity share account, capital account is credited by rupees 30,000. 30,000 divided by 3 comes to 10,000 shares. This is important because this is we are going to write in the balance sheet. And the total of this is 76,500, which goes to the creditor account. The creditor will be reduced by this 76,500, and whenever we make a balance sheet, in this problem we are not making the balance sheet for creditor. So but in the balance sheet, the new creditor amount will be 78,500. Now this capital reduction 46,500, we have to write it on the credit side over here. Now we are finished with line number 8. Now we go to 1 and 2. 1 is the assets that we revalued as under. Now this value which is given over here, we have to compare with the values given over here. Such as first one is building 2,15,000 and this is 2,50,000. So it is increase. Increase means gain to the organization. What are we going to do with this? Capital reduction account will be credited. Same with plant and machine. Plant and machine 2,55,000. Here it is 2,25,000. So it is a decrease. Decrease means a loss. What are we going to do? Capital reduction account is debited. Similarly, for these other things, you will find this value is less. Therefore, there is a decrease. Capital reduction account is debited. For the debit, we write one entry. For the credit, we write another entry. So what is the journal entry for this? We will see, but we go to the second line. Intangible fictitious are to be written off. What is the meaning of written off? Written off means decrease. And if it is decrease in the value of the decrease in the asset side, it is a loss. What are we going to do? Capital reduction account will be debited. So we write the journal entry for all of this. So journal entry number 7, we are going to write for building. It is building account debit, the difference 35,000 to capital reduction account 35,000. Similarly, for the debit of the asset, capital reduction account is debited to plant machine, to furniture, to stock, to debtors. Similarly, for fictitious assets, capital reduction account is debited to goodwill, to patent, to profit and loss, and to preliminary expenses. Now this capital reduction account is credited, so we write it in the capital reduction account on the credit side by building. Now the capital reduction account here is debited by these 4 accounts and again by these 4 accounts. So in the capital reduction account here we write all the 8 accounts. Plant machine, furniture, stock, debtor, goodwill, patent, profit and loss, preliminary expenses. Now we have completed, we go to the question, we have completed all the 8 lines. Okay. Plus we have completed these areas of dividend. And we have also written off the preliminary fictitious assets and intangible assets. So what is next? Next is we have to take the total of the capital reduction account. The total of the capital reduction account is 6,76,500. Write it over here. And take the total of the debit side and minus with 676, we get a difference. That difference is called as a capital reserve account. Okay, then we write the next and the last journal entry, and journal entry number 10. Capital reduction account is debited, capital reserve account is credited. The amount is 26,500, which is the difference in the capital reduction account, and the capital reduction account is balanced. Now we go to the balance sheet format. In the balance sheet, we are going to make only for the shareholders funds. Under shareholders funds, we have to write two things. One is share capital and the reserve and surplus. For share capital, first is equity share capital, which is 40,000 plus 10,000 multiplied by 3. That is 50,000 multiplied by 3, 1,50,000. Where are we getting this 40 and 10,000? We are getting it from journal entry number 2 and journal entry number 6. So here we go to journal entry number 2. You will see over here 1,20,000. And here we go to journal entry number 6. You will see over here 10,000 and 30,000. Next, we go to preference share capital. Preference share capital is 2,50,000, which is coming from journal entry number 1. So go to journal entry number 1. Here you will see credit 2,50,000. Okay, the total is 4 lakh. This 4 lakh we are going to write over here. Okay. Next, reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus, we will go to the capital reserve. Capital reserve is 25,000. Capital reserve is 25,000, which is the old balance sheet. And from capital reserve is 25,000, that is there from the old balance sheet. And 26,500 from the journal entry number 10. So the total is 51,500. This 51,500 we write over here. And the total is 4,51,500. So with this, we finish question number 3. Thank you very much.